Hey y'all, it's Melissa, Major Organizer, San Antonio franchise owner, and I'm back today with another confession. I'm addicted to decorating. I love stuff, and I'm not just talking about for the holidays. I'm talking about seasonally. I decorate my entire home, every room, with throw pillows and blankets and candles and picture frames and tchotchkes for every season, and I change it out every season. So I have a lot of stuff. And our house doesn't have a lot of built-in organization, cabinets and closets and things like that. So I have to be creative with how I store all of my decor when I'm not using it. And one of the things that I've noticed over the last few years is that I'm not pulling out every piece that I once did, for a lot of different reasons. My tastes have changed, my style has changed. I don't love those things anymore, but I was still holding on to them, and they were just kind of taking up space. So this weekend I went through all of my decor and put it out on the dining room table and started going through the same motions that we go to with our clients to find out if these are items that I still treasure or if this is something that I'm ready to let go of. And as you can see by the back of my car, that I decided to let go of a lot of items. This was a little challenging because there were things that I've had for a really long time. So pre-kids, pre-husband, back on my own. And my style is eclectic. I like farmhouse, industrial, mid-modern, and whimsy. I like a lot of different things. And so it was hard to let go of some of the things because they represented who I was at a certain place. And what I have discovered during this process is that the item is not me. It doesn't represent me. It doesn't change who I am if I don't have the stuff. But what not having the stuff does is it provides me with a feeling of lightness. It gives me more space to really enjoy the things that I truly love now. And I feel so much better now that I have made the decision to declutter my own home. And I'm just hoping that any of you out there who feel the same way will reach out and give Major Organizers a call so we can help you do the same thing.